couldn't do this. I turn it on, and I set it down like that. Then I set it aside because I don't like working on them. You put that on the table right there. So then I just come over here, pick up the next one, put it there, elbows in, hold. Now what you could do, if some of you really hate this, would like it to be a white or clay body, but don't want to do, you could do white underglaze that way and then paint anything that you might want on the surface. But anyway.
Do you do scratching on the black sometimes?
The black, just look that up for it.
Hold up your plate. Ta-da!
All right. Again.
Not that.
Again. Da-da-da.
Da-da-da.
Flatten it.
On my cup.
Flatten it out.
How thick is that underglaze?
Right out of the container.
I guess you mixed it up though.
And you're putting it on a pretty thick layer too.
Yeah, I don't want stripes. I want solid.
Yep.
Now notice I stop before I go all the way down.
Because you have a lot at the top.
So I come down here and nature takes, you know,
Barbecue.
yeah, Mr. Applehead, whatever. Newton, yeah. See, we owe a lot to those guys.
No,
Archimedes.
that's centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. Huh?
No,
So
gravity.
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 Really?
The combination is definitely going to pull it down.
No, we're talking about, are we giving the right man the right credit?
Spinning.
I
Isn't that what you were talking about?
No.
Oh, so you baking up? Jerry, what do you do with the chuck with the underglaze on it? Can you wash it
Just
off?
trim it off and
You
throw
just
it
trim
away.
it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's